Today I'll explain the poem Rain on the Roof, second stanza. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. In this stanza, the poet describes the impact of music made by rain on his heart and mind. He remarks that the tinkling sound produced by rain drops falling on the roof tiles cause a resonance in his heart. His heartbeats respond sensitively to every sound of the falling rain. In his much occupied mind, a large number of fanciful and imaginative ideas spring up. Innumerable memories of the past are revived and get entwined as if woven like a patchwork as he lies listening to the pattering sound of the raindrops.